What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Roosters Tool Review channel, and today we're going over my U.S. General roll cart. This is my first toolbox, so let's get started. Okay, so up here in the top I got all my Phillips and nut drivers over here and a 1/2-inch drive extension. Got all my standard sockets right over here. 1/2-inch drive, 3/8 drive, 1/4-inch drive. Then my 1/2-inch drive metrics over here. My 3/8 drive metrics, my 1/4-inch drive metrics, and just some little 1/4-inch drive sockets. We got a gear wrench set of metric ratcheting wrenches. Got my snap-on 1/2-inch drive ratchet, my Icon 3/8 drive ratchet. Got some gasket installers, more extensions back here, some more sockets, spark plug ones, and a deep one over there. I got my snap-on, I believe this is a 46 model, no, yeah, something like that, 40s, 50s model. Got this S&K 1/4-inch drive ratchet, flex head. Then I got my flat screwdrivers over here and a special tool for my 86 F-150. In this drawer over here, I got my electrical tools and the bits for my Milwaukee Impact. Over here we have metric wrenches. All of these are Sunex. Down here we got the my standard gear wrench, ratcheting wrenches. I got a Stanley ratcheting wrench and my S&K standard shorties. In here we got just random cheap wrench drawer. Got Pittsburgh in here, some random brand stuff. Right here's a Proto. Got my crescent wrenches, some offsets over here, line wrench. And here in this bottom drawer, I got my 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. I got a 3/8 drive torque wrench, my pliers, my gloves, my crow's feet, their gear wrench, Allen wrenches, some more bits, Allen wrenches and stuff in here, some, I can't remember what it's called, sandpaper, some super lube for my ratchets, and wire brush. Down here I got my Tubbo towels, a snap-on Impact, and my Milwaukee pack-out boxes. And that is about it. I got these magnets over here to put my hammers and files and crowbars. And over here I got my big hammer, a C-clamp, and a oil filter wrench. Yeah, something cool that I picked up from the pawn shop the other day. This is a old Mac Phillips screwdriver. Oh yeah, I also got a battery terminal cleaner. So yeah, that's almost about it. Have anything else to show y'all? Oh yeah, these aren't all Sun X. I have an old S&K and K tools. Yeah, that is about it. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. If you liked it, press that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank y'all.